At INEO, we design professional kitchen solutions for high-performance operations. Our fully automatic bone saw is built to meet the demanding needs of commercial kitchens, butcheries, and food processing facilities. With fully automated cutting, it significantly reduces manual labor while delivering precise and consistent results every time. The advanced safety design minimizes operator risk, while the stable cutting system ensures clean, accurate portions with less material waste. Built for heavy-duty, continuous use, INEO's bone saw helps improve efficiency, control costs, and maintain high production standards. From equipment supply to complete kitchen planning and after-sales support, INEO delivers reliable solutions for professional food operations worldwide.